So I've been building this small tool called Flat, and the idea behind it is to make it easier to animate icons or SVGs in general. So the idea is that you can use the tool to animate any of the elements of your SVG. So you can use the editor and add any of the animation types you want. And at the end, you can export it as a React component or as a video or GIF if you want to use it inside your Figma file. So the tool also provides a list of animated icons in the community page. So these are icons that I use the tool to animate them, and you can just use them or adjust them as you want and use them in your project. So for example, I want to just try the tool to adjust this icon, for example. So I can use like the preset animations that I have here or just use the animation types that we have here in order to do that. So for example, I want to add a small like animation wiggle to this element while everything is getting animated. So the idea is that I want to have like the elements go from rotation 0 to 5, for example, and then after that go into -5, and after that go into 0 again. Let me play it and see how it looks. Looks good. I'm going just to adjust the duration a little bit to see, and yeah, it looks nice. Now I want to just export it and use it on my project. We can also publish it, either like just get the link, or you can just share it with the community and it will be live in the community page. Let's say, for example, you want to also just import your icon and animate it. So in this case, I'm going just to paste my SVG file, and I'm going to start animate the icon. So one of my favorite animation type that I added here is the path length, and what it does is just animate the path from start to completion. So I added like the start and the end, but one of the nice like effects you can create is using the custom, and I'm going to do 2 here. And what it does is just like move the path while it's getting animated until it gets completed. So it creates a very nice effect that I want with this check circle icon. I'm going just to adjust the timing here and use ease in, and I'm going to see how it looks. It looks nice. So I'm going also to add the animation to the check mark. So in this case, I'm going to add also a path, but instead of start, I'm going just to use end, and see that it just like animates from the left to the right. I'm going also to add a bit of like opacity animation, so it starts invisible and get visible while it's getting animated. And I'm going just to adjust the duration in this case, so it's fast, and also bump the delay a bit, so it's only animated when the circle already progressed. So at the end, yeah, it looks really nice. Maybe I want to add a bit of like less duration, and yeah, I like it. So in this case, want to publish it, export it, or do whatever. So yeah, feel free to use the tool. Let me know what you think about it. Would love to hear any feedback. I'll continue working on the tool over the weekend. I have a couple of other like animation types that I want to add. One of them is the morphin, which is I'm really excited about. So yeah, I'd love if you use the tool, give me your feedback, and yeah, thank you so much. See you. Bye-bye.